Hi everyone, I greet you all according to your time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, please subscribe, like and share my video, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you're already a new subscriber, thank you so much and God bless you. My people, you get video where I go like make una watch. Make una see wickedness of some people where they sell food where people they eat for mouth. So make una watch this video and I go come back. Make we talk about it.
This one of the reason you don't allow these people to sell on the road. Exactly. But you see us reading them, you say government is wicked, government is that, government is... You can see what is the head hazard that this guy is.
You should eradicate this,
this is a potential
honestly.
death for anybody that consumes this.
Honestly.
You can see this is a potential death. This is imminent death.
Oh no.
But when you start to read them and
shit wickedness.
You say government is wicked, government is sensitive, government is sensitive.
He said lie still inside. What?
You can see.
Look at mango.
Wickedness.
This is meant for people's consumption.
Because of this mango.
There's no how you can. Okay, go to hospital.
Go take yourself.
He said this coronavirus.
Please, let's maintain some space, please. Okay. Hello.
Welcome back, my people. Sure, una don't see the video. Una see how somebody wicked. See how some people wicked. Una see where that man for they bring out mango where they sell. Food where you might be want eat for mouth, it can't go belle. Una see am? Una see people wickedness? I don't know what thing this our country, Nigeria, to turn into. I don't know where people can see wickedness this day. It not day like this before. It not rich like this before. This time around, people not care. They just want to make money. They don't want to know where that person they die, that the hot person, as that they make that money. So they no want know. What did they care about? Not just that money. Una see am? That is why sometimes you go hear story of a family just die after they eat finish. Then they go come the suspect. Maybe na neighbor, na he poison them. So now, if maybe that woman now, he get a friend way not good, or he get any family relative way not good, or you understand? They will come the kind of suspect those people. They not go no say na food where they use their money buy eat, na he kill them. Make una check her out now, my people. Like that kind one where that man brings so, person wey eat that kind food, why he no go get health issue? Why he no go get problem? Person now go buy, he go just buy that kind food now. If he eat them, you not go hear say die. They not go dey hear say people. So they talk say they don't poison them more. They just poison the food. Now see them, they no go know say the person carry a hand, carry money, go buy what to kill him. When is all this our wickedness going to stop? Just as one man talk for the video, if they say make all this roadside seller, make they pursue them, they go say government wicked. That one are true. My people, this wickedness is too much. This one no good at all. Una see say some of our people, mostly for that Lagos, so because that in a Lagos if it happen. That man, he deserve better punishment. When I mean punishment, better one. Punishment kakaraka. Na fit that man. Strong punishment. Na fit him. Because now he's worse than Lucifer himself. That man is evil. Waiting. So my people, now this video I say make I bring so that make people make una be careful. Make una be careful, my people. Mona be careful, mona know where una dey buy wetin una dey eat, dey put for belle. Una see this belle, they know they see am. If something dey your body, you go dey see am. But wetin they do you for inside your stomach, you no go fit see am. It dey very, very hard to cure bad thing wey don't enter this belle. It no easy. So for this reason, my people, make una dey be careful for wetin una dey eat for una belle. Person like me, if I even go to that Nigeria, me I no go buy food where they don't cook. Not even fruit. Nothing. Anything where I buy, I go know say I dey go my house, go use my hand, take cook am. Because this day, people are very wicked. They are very desperate to make money. No matter who they are hurting, they don't care to know. All they want is just that money. So my people, make una dey be careful. I just hope say government go give this man better punishment where he deserve. Because he's a killer. Only be say no carry gun, no carry knife, but na deadly killer na he be. You know why he be deadly killer? Because person wey carry gun now, maybe before you shoot one, shoot two, shoot three, people go there, we go feel, you know, track him down. You understand? But this one where they sell food, for instance, say 50 people follow and buy what they say they never kill 50 people slowly. That one a slow killer. He don't kill them. And nobody go even know. Say na him. So you see him, you know they very, very worse past person wey carry gun. So this man, he deserve ezigbo punishment. Good punishment. Better one. Where be say if he survive that punishment, if he see bad thing, people they do bad thing, go they advise them. My people, make una repent. If you were here, this wickedness will not pay you anything. Make una change. So my people, this is the end of this video. I don't want to make it long past as it is so. So my people, make una help me share this video. Make it go viral so that people go see them. People when they buy food, they eat. When we say some, they know, you know, they like all those fast food, fasting, you know, those kind of thing. You understand? Make it go around so that people go know where they go, they buy what that they eat for belle. You understand me? So make una share this video. If this video makes sense, give it a thumbs up, my people. Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you never subscribe. If you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, my people. Support me, okay? And God will bless you as you do so. Thank you all so much. I still remain your friend, your sister, Obidia TV. Obidia Wanyoma, Wanyimarama. Thank you, my people. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. Bye.